What thing do you like the most in Achiever School and why?
That the regular studies is going on, punctuality, discipline. I think so, and regular activities is going on in all aspects. The holistic approach of this school, what I feel.
Okay. The infrastructure is also very good, and the so students are very less in one class, so it's very nice for teachers also to concentrate on one child. So this is the best thing.
Achiever School, the most important thing is why I have chosen here for my children. Apart from the teaching, okay, the school management is taking extra curriculum and activities like music, sports, and apart from studies, they are most concentrating on these areas as well. So that is the main thing I would like to.
In the Achiever School, they very well give attention to every child, and what is the most important thing is that they have very good teaching skills or teaching techniques, so that our child or my child will be grasping the things very quickly.
The Achiever School's ambience, grounds, everything, the students like you are well good. And I love children's, that's why everything school is love for me. Specifically, Achiever School have established a new style of schooling, how to train their guys. Like you are taking my interview, that is also a matter of pride.
स्कूल काफ़ी अच्छा है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बहुत मस्त है और ख़ास यहाँ का पढ़ाई भी बहुत अच्छी है. अदर एक्टिविटीज़ जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, बच्चे उससे ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो रहे हैं.
Sports activity,
Okay.
Playing games, cricket, basketball, football, chess, dance, music.
Discipline and other social activity.
I like the kids, I like the teachers, the environment. Everything is just fine and a healthy environment for the kid to grow naturally. That is the best thing I like about Achievers.